got crackers on your face. Better get them off. No?
No.
Well, you got them all over you.
I got them.
Can you say sassafras?
I'll say. I'll see. I'll see. I'll see. I'll take a picture.
You just said you didn't want to take a picture.
I don't want to.
Well, then you can't.
That's trash.
That is not trash. Put it back where you found it. Put it back. Put that back too. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You're so dirty.
No.
Yeah, look at your face. What's your name? McCrory? What's the rest of your name? Senior?
Yeah.
You're not junior?
No. Yeah.
Is your name Alejandro? Alejandro?
What's in there?
Uh-huh.
Wait.
You're okay.
What's that?
Sounds like an ambulance. It's a fire truck.
Yeah. Watch it come.
You're gonna watch it come?
Yeah.
Tell me about your shoes.
It's black.
They're black? What color is Shoulder Cat?
She's black too.
What color is Pudsey?
She's black too. I got. She got it.
She's black and what? Black and white? What color are your socks?
Black.
Your socks? No, they're not.
She's black.
What color are your socks?
White.
What color is your shirt?
White.
It's got white on it. What color is my shirt?
Blue.
What color is the swing?
Brown.
Brown?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Put on my
In your butt? In your butt? Say sassafras. Say velociraptor. Say Mongolia. Say Ethiopia. Say Monopoly. Say Triceratops. Say Russell Davis McCrory Jr. McCrory Jr.? I don't have any tater tots. Can you say your ABCs? Can you say bye-bye?